It's Wednesday the 24th. Got a package from Beer and Wine. I ordered it Monday at 1:30 in the afternoon, and here it is. It's Wednesday, and the mail just showed up at noon. So we're going to do a little unboxing. I have a larger mailbox, so this package fit right in there. But free shipping. They have a promotion for hang on just a second. I have grains in there, and I did not want to pierce that bag. So first thing you see when you open the bag here, got a thank you note. It's a little breezy out here, so I'm just going to tuck that to the side. Ordered some stuff for the Dropkavike Nate. So I had Eldorado hops. So I got, I have Galaxy, but it's been a couple years, so I ordered some fresh just to have it. I needed some calcium chloride for water adjustment. When I got back into the hobby here last month before, I got through all my salts out, so I had fresh stuff. So that came in. Some tubing for my grandfather here. I'm hoping I got the right size. But I ordered 2 feet of this, a foot of that. It looks about right, maybe a little bit extra. Nothing wrong with that. My grains. So this is that's probably my bad. Yeah, that's probably my bad. So this is Munich, 2 pounds of Munich, and this is 8.5 pounds of Roar 2-row. So heck yeah, very satisfied. Yeah, that I'm gonna blame that on me. You know, it's the first time, so if it comes again like that, but I'm gonna say when I picked up on that with one hand, I probably pulled that seal. So, but yeah, all right guys, thank you.